We're doing a pipe using our pipe jack tray. You see here's our pipe jack tray. It's got a hook on the bottom here, the hook on that top row of the panel, and I got a water stop on either side. So once you find your hole where it's going to go, we're going to go ahead and cut that out, as you can see here. And then we're going to go ahead and take our caulking and go ahead and caulk a horseshoe. And then we're going to trim our pipe jack so it fits inside of our tray. Once we've done all that, then we're going to go ahead and measure our pipe and find out where that's going to land in our panel, and go ahead and cut that out with pin snips. And then what we also want to do is inside the pipe jack tray on either side, we want to create an exit. So we're going to go ahead and notch that and fold that over on either side of that pipe opening. Then we can go ahead and install that as normal. Just like so. And fasten that. And once we get it all fastened, we'll go ahead and take our caulking, and we're going to go ahead and caulk around that pipe. And then we can use the granules from our touch-up kit and go ahead and sprinkle that into the caulking.